Hello guys, how are you? Now in this video we will design the hydraulic punching machine for sheet metal parts. You can see there are 10 holes required in this sheet metal parts, which all holes are different surfaces and angle, and we require a machine for these for piercing hole. You can see the IGS data, and there are two datum holes in this main part, and the piercing hole we required for this part. The surface of piercing hole are different every hole, and we required a parallel punching is according to the piercing hole and their surfaces. We can calculate the angle. There are 29 degree approximately, the difference between the hole. So now we required a punching unit as per parallel to their surfaces to punch the piercing, and as per their required surfaces. And now this is a hydraulic punching machine we design, and these are we hide the punching unit. First of all, we will see the how we clamp the main part in this jig, and so that this is a pneumatic clamping for this part. And there are 4 locators, clamp locators to clamp the part, and now 2 datum locators. These are one round pin and one is diamond, and these are 2 ejectors we install to eject the part after the piercing, so that you can see very clearly the design of ejector. And there are pneumatic cylinders installed to eject the part up and down conditions, operate up and down conditions. And these are the datum pin. You can see these datum pin designs specially designed as per standards, and this is for main part. And these are 2 locators, and there are 4 locators for clamps the part to avoid any variation of the part. This is a design of pneumatic locators and with cylinders. Now you can see the datum pin locator design. These are very standard design and these are the ejector locator. You can see separately to clear. So this is a pneumatic cylinder installed to eject the part up and down conditions as per requirement. So this is a pneumatic clamping of the part. After that we will see the punching unit. This is a main part, punching unit for every hole, and how that we will design. You can see, and I explain you. This is a base plate for this machine, and there are also we will design the area for forklifter, and this is a very special design to easily put the jig to shift in anywhere in the production line. Also we install the adjustment pad in this base plate. You can see the adjustment pad to maintain their height and their levelness of the base plate. Now we will see the punching unit. This is the first punching unit. This is a, you can see that the punching unit designed as per plane of surface of which piercing hole we required. Now we can see separately what is the design of punching unit. These are the retainer for die inserts and also retainer for punch insert we will install, and it is very easy. These are also 5mm shims spacer installed to adjust this retainer height, and this is an insert, die insert. And now I think you understand. This is a urethane block for in the punch. We install a urethane block in the punch, and you can see the punch design same like as die insert. This is a punch insert which is installed in retainer as well. In the bottom side we install the 5mm spacer. This is a retainer for punch. This is a spacer, and this is a punch plate. This is a punch plate. Separately we install this, and this is upper part. This is the LM guide support bracket for install the LM guide and punch unit. This is a very main part, and this part will be traveling for after cylinder. This is a coupler unit to couple the shaft, and this is very special design and very we will easily, there is no threading or as well. This is a coupler shaft. This is a cylinder shaft. Cylinder stroke is 150, and this is a column for a punching unit. This is a hole for slavage of the sheet metal part after punching, and this is a main part for this. This is a stand. The surface of this plate is per parallel of a surface piercing hole. This surface is a parallel as per this is a degree. We will define the degree in this stand. This is a box for slavage of the sheet metal parts to drop in this box, so that this is a first unit. You can see this is a first unit for single hole of piercing. These are also die plate, die back plate as well. You can see installed in this jig, so that this is a very easy for adjustment of all parts, and this is a second unit. You can see which is very near to the first unit. This is the first hole and this is the second hole for second unit, same like as first unit, but the unit is tall as per parallel to this surface of the piercing and the angle will be defined in the bottom side of stand. Same like first unit, same parts we will install for punching, but the angle of the stands are different. You can see the second unit. These are same design, same retainer, but the hole sizes are. This is a oval hole. First unit is a round hole, and but the parts are same like as first unit. This is a third unit. You can see the angle of the third unit. These are the parallel of a piercing hole surface, which is become 90 position. When we punch in the sheet metal, it will be a very 90 position. So you can see the bottom side of stand. We will define the angle in bottom side stands, but in upper side punching column unit, these are same, but in this inner side stand, bottom side stand, we will define the angle. You can see the angle we will define as per parallel to the piercing hole surface, and also we will design as per to also verify the interference between the parts and between the another units. It is very necessary to check the all things and interference. This is a fourth unit. You can see this is a very special unit. These are the two cylinders installed, two punching units installed in one column, and one is straight and another is very critical, I think it is 29 degree. We will define 29 degree for punching. This is a very special unit, and you can see reinforcement pipe also given in this unit, and the parts are same like as first unit, but we will define the another angle of 29 degree for second hole in this one unit. These are the two holes we will define in one unit, piercing unit. So this is our design concept, how that we will design for sheet metal piercing and their as per parallel to their surfaces. But in the press you can see the 31 degree. You can see the angle, the 31 degree, and in the bottom side we will define the box. Also install the box for the salvage of the sheet metal parts after punching. This is a guide block, and also a brass bush. We will install the brass bush, or we will install the bearing. These are two guide shaft we will install in this unit, and so that the another side also a mirror of the first side. So that is a machine we will design as for the sheet metal punching piercing hole. So I think you will learn a lot of this design, and this is a very special design for a special purpose machine. I think when you like my video, please subscribe my channel to see more videos in my next. Okay, thank you so much.